Hello, this is Tom from Milsig Direct Europe, and let me show you a new gun, M17 G3. M17 G3 is based on the same platform like M17 A2. I will show you for comparison. This is my old gun, but it comes with a few modifications or upgrades. It has the metal shroud with the adapter, so it's free floating handguard now. This is the plastic. It comes with new the magwell, which is with the different McCreery's. This one has the pedal. This is the same like on M4, and the main difference is the magazine. This is new magazine, which doesn't have head or square head like on M17 A2. There were two versions of the magazine, the curve and the hybrid. This is much smaller. Actually, you can compare it with the rest of magazine. It goes like that. You can see that this one fits the same way, so the dimensions is same. It's just a little bit longer. What is the same? It has the same the heat core regulator, and the heat core is basically the same. There is a little bit softer spring, so it's more efficient than A2, but if you have the latest version, you probably have the softer spring already installed in your gun. I will show you the difference on the receiver. So you can see the difference now. Okay, so this is the magwell. And this is the receiver. It goes that way in. Like that. This magazine, like I said, doesn't have the square head. It's just one piece actually. Two halves, and one half is split on another two. If you need just to clean the magazine, you can use it that way, and you don't have to deal with the winding mechanism. So it's much easier to clean the magazine. There's the release. And this is the picture. Heat core is the same like latest version of M17 A2, just like I said. Two quarter pins, two main pins. Ramp mode. O-ring. Air chamber regulator, body regulator. shroud. It's Milsig shroud, so you can use anyone you like. Simple like that. Here's the barrel block. A5 barrel, the same like this on M5. So this is M17 G3 with the magazine for 18-19 rounds, first strike or regular. It's available in paintball version or less lethal version, which is much more powerful. The main difference is that less lethal doesn't have the regulator and has the stronger spring inside. The paintball version have the softer spring, which is more air efficient, but less powerful, of course. If we look to the near future, we will also have another drum mag. It's based on the Tempest for SMG, but with the new head for G3 and 317. It's for the 2 rounds. I think it will be available in this fall. Okay, that's it.